What happens to your car when it's going through an update? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Joy. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, I document my Tesla Model 3 owner experience to help new and future owners learn more about this car. If you find this video helpful and informative, please consider subscribing. As you know, Tesla cars receive regular over-the-air or OTA software updates to continue to better and enhance and release new features to our cars. Whenever my car is going through an update, I just leave it alone, let it run, and when it's done, I excitedly come inside my car and check out all the cool new features. I have never ever actually sat in the car while it's doing an update, because I just never thought I had any reasons to. Well, that changed about a month ago when I was doing a video for the brand new V10 software update. I was doing a review of all the new features that V10 contains when I received another update to my car, and I was forced to sit inside for a good 25 minutes or half an hour, going through the motion just to see what the car was doing while it's doing an update. I thought I'd put together this video for you in case you're also curious about what happens when your car is updating, so that you don't have to sit through this, because I did. I am sitting in my car right now filming a V10 update video. When this happened, I got a notification saying I got another software update. So I decided to do this right now, get this downloaded, and sit inside the car while this is being installed, just to see what it's like when the car is updating itself, because I am never in my car when the software is updating. The software has finished downloading, so I'm actually going to update this. And let's see how this is going to go. It's starting the update. It looks like it's loading up again. It's been several minutes, and this has only progressed up to here. So I'm not hearing anything else inside the car. There are no other noises. It just, my fan is still running for air, and this is doing the update. And it says it's still updating autopilot. So I guess that's a big one that this release is doing, is it's maybe bug fixing for the autopilot feature. It's pretty cool that it's telling you what it's doing right now. Okay, I had to record this in chunks because it's taking a long time, but now it's moved on to updating electronic control units, and there was a loud thump that just happened in the back of the car, and now everything's turned off. No Bluetooth connection through the speakers, and AC or fan is off right now. So we'll see what it's going to do next. But in the meantime, I'm just sitting here browsing on Twitter, killing my time. Thank you for everyone who's following me, by the way. All right, now I'm hearing the motor or the fan coming on for just a little bit, and it went away. It's probably updating those. I'm going back to waiting. Did you hear that? There was another loud thump that just took place. Did you hear that? That was a really loud thump that just happened back there. More thumps. It's still updating the electronic control units. Now it's finishing the update. And it is still updating autopilot. That's interesting. Seems like it's going back in the loop. All right, now it's rebooting. Hopefully it's going to come back to live soon. Like 3, 2, 1. Nope, no go. Everything is just quiet in here. It's been a couple of minutes, started rebooting, and everything is finally coming online. And now it says update completed, check status. Awesome. So let's take a look. Well, it says still downloading for some odd reason, but this should be done. Maybe it's because it's not connected right now, and I will need to get this connected back to the Wi-Fi. So LTE is back up, but somehow it still thinks that it's downloading. But I thought that everything is done. So this is very interesting. It says that I am now on 32.11, and now I have another update. Well, this is interesting. I think there was just probably bug fixes. And here's the same release notes. Okay, now it's done. Now it's up to date. 32.11. So that was the software update process. As you can see, it was quite a boring process. So I do not recommend that you sit through it. Find better use of your time instead of sitting here waiting for your car to update. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, make comments down below, and ask me questions. I'd be happy to answer. Until next week, God bless you.